Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay guys, so got a little bit of good news. I've just received this package through the post a while ago. So it's 10:21, Wednesday the 17th of November, and this is my silver play button that I have been waiting for the last couple of weeks. It's finally arrived, so we're just going to open it up and see what comes in the packaging. Okay, so here's this letter. Some 100,000 subscribers, just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they would take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. So this is a letter from YouTube congratulating me on reaching 100,000 subscribers. Also, there's a little card here. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Okay, so let's take off this. So this is the packaging, and this is the silver play button. So let's take it out of the plastic and have a look. Okay guys, so this is my silver play button. Presented to Android Doctor for passing 100,000 subscribers YouTube. There's nothing else on the back. But wow, it looks very nice, I must say. Perfectly polished. There's also another little card here. Recognize your team. And I think this is a little cleaning cloth to shine it down. It's already shiny. Let's have a look on the back of the box. And on the back of the box there's an invoice that comes with it. But yeah guys, I just want to say a special thanks to you all for making this possible. When I first started YouTube, believe me or not guys, I actually was just making videos for fun, just to help you all out with routing your phones and stuff. I would never have thought that I would have made it to 100,000 subscribers, but wow, I'm very happy. Anyway guys, it's just a short video just to say thanks to you all. Stay subscribed. There will be more videos coming in the near future. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Remember to like and share this video guys. Deuces.